Have you recently inherited farmland and worried about the tax amount you will have to pay if you decide to sell the farm? Hi, I'm Rachel Tiffany, a land broker and auctioneer, and I often get asked what capital gains tax is and how 1031 exchanges work. Capital gain refers to an increase in a capital asset's value when sold, which triggers a taxable event. Land is an asset in this case, and the farm is subject to a stepped-up basis. When a person, a beneficiary, receives an asset from a benefactor after he or she passes, the asset often receives a stepped-up basis, which is its market value at the time the benefactor dies, compared to the price when the benefactor purchased the asset. Taxable capital gain income is sold price minus the basis, which is the market value at time of death. A high stepped-up basis can greatly reduce you, the beneficiary's taxable capital gain income when you sell the land, since you are only taxed on the value that the asset gains after you inherit it. Typically, the asset is appraised to determine the value for the date of death. The appraised price is subtracted from the sale price to determine the difference in capital gain. You owe capital gains only on that difference. The biggest secret I can give you is that if you inherit land and plan on selling, you should do so quickly to realize little capital gain to avoid a high tax amount. If you hold on to the land for a few years after inheriting, there could be more sizable gain which you would owe more taxes on. A way to also avoid the amount of taxes paid on is to use money from that sale and reinvest into another property, which is called a 1031 exchange. You can use proceeds from your farmland sale and use it to buy another income-producing property, such as land, vacational rental homes, apartment buildings, etc. There are certain deadlines to meet and proper paperwork to complete in this exchange. It's best to let me know if you have intentions of doing a 1031 so we can achieve your goals. Recently, clients I have helped sell farmland for have decided to offer seller financing with their farmland auction to help alleviate some of the capital gain tax hit as well. When you offer owner financing, it allows you to realize a gain over several years, and instead of paying taxes from the gain all in 1 year, you would spread it out the tax hit over several years as you receive that income. I have several great resources to help you understand and manage your way through these topics I covered in the video. If you have questions, please reach out and I can help you get started and make sure your farm sale is as stress-free as possible.